Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and today I am going to talk about the limit. As I told you in the previous video, use of limit, types of limit. So let's start today's class. In last class I was explaining algebraic limit. So today I am starting algebraic limit. Basically, two type of question can be asked from algebraic limit. One is 0 by 0 form, or second one is infinity by infinity form. So I am discussing 0 by 0. First I am discussing 0 by 0 form. First problem that can be asked from 0 by 0 type is factor based problem. Suppose given limit is our first step is to check whether this limit is 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. So put x equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, 0 in numerator, and put x equal to 1 in denominator. 2 into 1 square, 2 minus 7 plus 5. So this is also 0. So this limit is a form of 0 by 0. The concept that is used to solve such type of problem is always try to remove factor, that is factor in numerator. Here x minus 1 is factor, so we always try to remove this factor x minus 1 term. So x minus 1, 2x square, 7x can be written as minus 5x minus 2x plus 5. So limit x tending to 1, x minus 1, taking x common. So 2x minus 5, taking minus 1 common, 2x minus 5. Take 2x minus 5 as a common. Limit x tending to 1, x minus 1 by 2x minus 5 into x minus 1. So here x minus 1 term is cancelled each other, numerator and denominator common. So next expression becomes limit x tending to 1, 1 by 2x minus 5. Put x equal to 1. 1 by 2 into 1 minus 5. 1 by 2 minus 5 minus 1 by 3. This is my answer. So what I try to tell you that when you see factor x minus 1 or any term like x minus a term, and in denominator quadratic or cubic function is given, you always try to remove factor in numerator. Always try to remove. This is the basic concept that we use to solve factor based limit. So okay, I think the concept is clear. Second type of question that can be asked from algebraic limit is rationalization based problem. Suppose question is limit h tending to 0 x plus h root under minus root x by h. Our first step is to check whether this limit is 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. So put h equal to 0 in this expression. So here h is 0. So expression becomes root x minus root x 0 by h equal to 0. So 0 by 0 form. So given limit is 0 by 0 form. To solve rationalization based problem, we always try to remove root in numerator or denominator. So how can we remove root in numerator or denominator? We just rationalize this function. So basic idea is, when you see a square root in numerator or in denominator, you always try to remove. Hence rationalize the above function. Limit h tending to 0 root x plus h minus root x by h into root x plus h plus root x by root x plus h plus root x. We know that a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So above expression becomes root x plus h square minus root x square by h into root x plus h plus root x. So this expression becomes x plus h, because a square is the function x plus h. We know that root x square is x. So x plus h minus x by h into x plus h plus root x. This x term cancel each other. This h term cancel each other. So final expression, put h equal to 0. So 1 by x plus root under x plus 0 plus root x. So final expression becomes 1 by 2 root x. This is my answer. So basic concept or idea that we use to solve a rationalization based problem is, when you see a square root, then you always try to remove a square root by rationalize the given function. Third concept in algebraic limit is problem based on a standard result. Very less question can be asked from this type, but I am discussing because sometimes when you don't know, then you may face problem to solve this type of problem. First I am discussing limit problem based on standard result. Limit x tending to be x to the power n minus b to the power n by x minus b equal to nb to the power n minus 1. For example, if question is limit x tending to 2 x cube minus 2 to the power 3 by x minus 2. So here n equal to 3. So what is the result, or you can say what is the final answer of this problem? Here n equal to 3. B, here b is 2, n is 3 minus 1. So 3 into 2 square, that is 12, my answer. So what I discussed till now is only 0 by 0 form in algebraic limit. In next video I discuss about infinity by infinity form. So many of you is confused right now why I am not using L'Hospital rule, or in foreign country L'Hopital rule, because many times in problem given that you have not to use L'Hopital rule or L'Hospital rule, so that's why I am not using. And the student who do not know about L'Hospital rule or L'Hopital rule, L'Hospital rule or L'Hopital rule is a rule which solves 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity problem. So I will discuss L'Hospital rule or L'Hopital rule at the last of the limit chapter. So please guys, subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.